Hello everyone, welcome to part 2. Today we'll be working or wrapping up our lesson on the 24 consonant sounds. I promised I would provide examples for the 16 English letters that form the 24 consonant sounds, and here they are. So at your convenience, you can just go through them and master them. So for today, we'll be looking at the 8 strange symbols that equally form the 24 consonant sounds. Like I always tell my students, it's important to have structure while learning because it will aid comprehension and retention. And in order for us to remember this, the sounds and the symbols, I paired them up. With this pairing, I want you to know that for each pair, the first one is tougher than the second one. What I mean is that, for instance, number 1, we have ch, ch. Number 2 is mild, sh. Number 1, ch. 2, sh, ch, sh. Number 3 is tough, and number 4 is mild. Number 3, the. Number 4, 3, the. 4, number 5, j. 6, j. 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 5, j. 6, j. Lastly, number 7 and number 8, I pair them up even though they don't sound alike, even though they don't have similarities. I just decided to pair them up because they're the last two. Okay, so let's look at some examples. So like I told us, number 1 is ch and number 2 is sh. So let's look at some examples. So number 1, the first example is choose. Next one is ritual. Next one is structure. And the last one is kitchen. Number 2, we have sh. The first example, shout. Next one, sugar. Next one, education. And the last one, dish. So let's do a bit of exercise. Let me be sure you know how to identify them. So can you tell me what is likely to be our answer here? We have fetch. If you picked that, that's the correct answer. Fetch. How about here? If you pick mission, that's the correct answer. This is not decision. This is decision. J. So mission, decision. And we're looking for sh. So our answer will be B. Mission. Don't forget this is decision. Let's move on. Number 3, the. Number 4, can you notice that we have th, 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 th. So what it means is that these two sounds, they always carry the th. So while number 3 sounds the, number 4 sounds it's mild. So let's look at examples. The first one under the, we have then. The next one, gather, mother, them, those. For number 4, we have faith, wealth, think, both, thanks. So let's look at the exercise. So what's likely to be our answer here? Very good. If you chose them, that's correct. How about here? Very good. If you picked faith, that's equally correct. We're almost done. So number 5, j, is tougher than number 6, j. Number 5, j. Number 6, j. So let's look at the examples. July, giant, joke, and judge. Number 6, j. Decision, leisure, treasure, television. Let's look at the examples for our exercise. So can you tell me what our answer could be here? Good job. If you chose joke, that's correct. How about here? Very good. If your answer is decision, that's very good. So lastly, remember I told you, even though this looks like letter J, this is E. E. Number 8, So let's look at examples for Y. View. Can you hear the Y? Young. Fuel. Yellow. Number 8, we have ink. Remember this is So ink. Function. Singer. Lung. I'm elongating the sounds so that you can hear the so it will be obvious. Okay, so let's look at the exercise for this last part. So what's likely to be our answer? Very good. Our answer would be yam. E. Even though this is letter Y, the sound we're looking for is E, and we can only find it here. Yam. This is July, Long, and James. How about here? What was the answer? Wing. Very good. That's very good. Okay, so these are all the examples from number 1 to number 24 for the 24 consonant sounds. Meanwhile, in our next lesson, we'll be looking at the 20 vowel sounds. We'll look at how the 20 vowel sounds are gotten from these 5. A, E, I, O, U. So thank you so much for listening. See you in my next video.